Are you struggling to hit that first big milestone of 1,000 subscribers on YouTube? Today, I'm going to share some effective strategies to help you grow your channel authentically. Let's get started. First, focus on your content. It has to be engaging, original, and valuable to your audience. Understand what your viewers want to see and deliver it consistently. Next, optimize your videos for SEO. Use relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags. This makes your videos more discoverable. Engagement is crucial. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and create a community around your channel. The more you engage, the more people will subscribe. Don't forget social media. Share your videos on different platforms and engage in communities related to your content. Collaborate with other YouTubers. This exposes your channel to a broader audience. Networking is key in the YouTube world. Consistency is key. Have a regular upload schedule. The more consistent you are, the faster you'll grow. Regularly check your YouTube analytics. Understand what works and what doesn't, and adjust your strategy accordingly. Growing to 1,000 subscribers takes time and effort. Stay patient, keep creating great content, and use these strategies to boost your growth. For more tips on growing your channel, check out these videos. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.